This is my children's favorite sweet potato recipe. Perfect for breakfast and ideal for school lunchbox. To a pot with sweet potato, add some water and cook until well done. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. To a blender, add the cooked sweet potatoes, butter, dates, milk, vanilla extract, baking powder, rolled oats, and blend until you have a smooth consistency. Once the batter is ready, set aside and preheat your waffle maker. Once the waffle maker is preheated, grease it and then add some of the sweet potato. Cover and allow to cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove and continue this process until all the batter is made. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please join the family. Here we share lots of yummy recipes made with love. And voila, the sweet potato waffles is ready to be enjoyed. No flour, no sugar, no eggs, healthy, rich in fiber, highly nutritious, and absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point, and until next time, remain blessed.